If you're thinking about buying or selling a home, you're probably wondering what's going on with the market right now. Are we still in a seller's market? Is it finally shifting toward a buyer's market? And most importantly, what does that mean for you? We've seen a wild ride in real estate over the past few years. Homes selling in days, bidding wars, crazy prices, but things are starting to change. More homes are coming on the market, and that's giving buyers more options. But does that mean sellers have lost their edge or their advantage? Let's take a look at this graph. This chart shows the month's supply of inventory based on a national average, which is basically how long it would take for all the homes on the market to sell if no new ones were listed. The graph shows 3 to 4 months based on a national average. In Southern California, we're still between a 1 to 2 month average in many areas. To put this in perspective, an average market is a 6-month supply. When inventory is low, it's a market more favorable for sellers. Demand is high and homes sell fast. But when inventory rises above 6 months, it flips to a buyer's market, where buyers have the upper hand. Right now, you can see we're still below that 6-month mark, which means sellers still have an edge in many areas, but buyers are gaining some breathing room. So what does that actually mean for you? Let's break it down. If you're a buyer, this probably is the best news you've heard in a while. You finally have more choices, which means less pressure to rush into a decision. Sellers who were getting multiple offers in a weekend might now be a little more willing to negotiate on price or even offer concessions. You might not have to waive every contingency just to compete, but here's the thing. Just because inventory is rising doesn't mean you should wait forever. When mortgage rates shift or demand picks back up like it's doing right now, that window of opportunity could close fast, and we're already starting to see multiple offers start back up again with the drop in the interest rates. Now, if you're a seller, let's talk about what this means for you. If your area is still well below a 6-month supply, that's great news. Buyers are still out there. You may have a little more competition, but homes are still selling. The days of throwing a high price on your home and getting 10 offers overnight, we aren't there anymore. But homes are still selling quickly and with multiple offers. That's why pricing strategically is so important right now. Overpricing in this kind of market is risky. If a home sits too long, buyers start wondering what's wrong with it. And that's when you start seeing price cuts, which ultimately means you walk away with less. But the good news, homes that are priced right and presented well are still selling quickly, and oftentimes with multiple offers and above list price. This is where staging, professional photos, a strong marketing plan to generate more exposure, and smart pricing comes in. Buyers are comparing your home to others now, so first impressions matter more than ever before. So the big question, should you wait to buy or sell? Well, it depends. If you're buying, waiting might mean more homes to choose from, but it also comes with the risk of higher rates. If you're selling, waiting could mean more competition as inventory continues to rise. The best strategy right now is to know your local market. Whether you're buying or selling, understanding what's happening in your area or the areas that you're buying in is key. If you're trying to decide the best move, let's chat. I can help you make sense of the numbers and figure out the right marketing and pricing strategy for you and your home. If you want to get in touch, the QR code is on your screen, and bye for now.